What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out here with the sandworm. I'm filming a lot of these videos on the same day because I'm trying to catch up on content since I haven't had the truck. But today we're going to be taking the trifold hardcover off, which is still up for grabs. Remember, you have till the end of October. You have October 31st to go to my website, buy you something off of there so you can enter the giveaway using the code in the link. And you can, if you win this first one, you can choose between the trifold hardcover, which is currently on the truck, or the soft roll cover, which I have boxed up over here. But in today's video, we're gonna be taking that off, and I'll show you why in a second. So the reason we're taking that off is because I actually I spent a little bit of money and got me a permanent bed cover. I'm done with changing these bed covers. I don't want to try out anymore. If you're a company looking to have me test out your bed cover, I do not want to do bed covers anymore. I've tested plenty, but we have it's not the soft roll up, it's the hard roll up. So it rolls up like a soft roll up all the way to the window. But instead of it being soft, it's made out of aluminum panels, and you can kind of see it right there, black aluminum. So it's gonna be hard like the trifold, but it's gonna roll all the way up so I can use my whole bed space versus what's on there now that only folds up to where you have probably about a foot or two where you can't use your bed. So this is gonna be a permanent one. I'm not taking it off, it's going on. But anyways, I gotta take this one off. Remember, check out the website so you can win one of these. You can choose whichever one you want, the trifold hardcover or the soft roll. But I'm gonna take that off real quick, and then we're gonna get this set up. If it's similar to how, if the installation for this is similar to some of the ones I've already done, I'm just gonna link one of those videos up here. If not, then I'll kind of show the steps. But if it's the same, I'm just gonna install it and then show you guys what it looks like afterwards, so that I don't have 4 videos out there of different bed covers that install about the same. So I'll check back in. Okay, so this bed cover is similar to one of the other ones I've done. It just seat clamps onto the rails, and then you put the cover on and roll it. So I'm gonna install it and then just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so we just finished the new bed cover. I've got it clipped in right now. So this is just a hard version of the soft roll up I had. It's just held on by some C-clamps. That's it. Pretty straightforward as every other bed cover. The majority of them are just held on by C-clamps. But the difference between this one is this one's hard compared to the soft roll cover. So you roll it out, it locks in, and you can't cut through it because it's all aluminum under there. Can't cut through it. I've got my lights hooked back up under here. Luckily with this cover I could hide my lights a little better. I just need to hide this wire. But yeah, definitely excited about this one. More comfortable keeping things in here. But make sure you click the link, check out my website. I've got the trifold hardcover boxed up and the soft roll cover in here. So if you win, you can pick either one. Make sure you check it out. But I don't plan to take this one off because I like it because it's almost flush with the bed. It's almost flat, and I'm actually gonna take my heat gun here and kind of heat these up to level out the seals. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out the website, buy you a t-shirt or something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.